I think the parents' role in a company and more sensitive to what my doctor interests with, and I always have time to communicate it to her.
Well, parents' role in discovering and developing children's talents is very important because parent role has a very powerful effect. Parents is the one who provide with the access that relate to their talent and then encouragement and of course the support.
I know that when she's really interested and wants more to explore it, then she can follow it very well without force and enjoy her talent.
I used to explore too many activities with them, so I observe which one is that they're really into it or which one that really takes them into their hobby and interest. That's how I know my kids' talent.
I think all parents will do the same with me. I always accompany her, I try to support her with the supporting tool for the talent and explore by learning a lot joke like course or private.
Talents, well, of course, as a parent, all we have to do is support them. But I'll give all the time and space to them to mentally and also of course morally support what they're interested in, so that even providing mentor if it is necessarily. That's why ECHS helps me a lot on this, because such as my girl, she really loves doing e-sport, and ECHS provide with e-sport as one of the extracurriculums, and they also provide mentor. They assist my kids, my girl joining the competition.
I think ECHS always support the students by positive activities like these events that can help my daughter excited to develop her talent. Yes, I think we must more sensitive to our child interest, communicate it, and always support them at the best way we can. And the last, it's more very important that we must keep their heart, and that will be make them always happy, enjoy with their talent.
As a parent, we just need to observe and to expose our children's talent with explore them to many activities, and so that it can provide them with opportunities to find their real talents.
Every child has a talent that we should encourage. To prepare your children's success in the future, we need to know their talents and potentials since the early stage. By discovering children's talents, we can help them to develop their future. We are ready to be a part of your children's journey, so join us and be a part of ECHS Cipta Harapan School family.